Good morning. Good morning. It is currently like 7 a.m. We got up super early to go watch the sunrise, but it was the most, what's the word I'm looking for? Overcast day. It was the most overcast day that it has been all week, unfortunately. So we just decided to chill out, let the baby sleep. We've just been relaxing. But now I'm gonna go walk the dog, and we have some plans to go for lunch later. So we're gonna have a really nice Sunday. Also, no judgment on the mess that's behind me. We as a family have had the flu for the last week. The baby got it, and then I got it. I don't even know. I have no words on it yet. That was traumatizing. So I'm still extremely congested, and I apologize for that because I know that it sounds horrific on camera. But yeah, that is why the house is a mess. I am a mess. But I'm trying to pull my shit together today. I want to get out the house, go have fun. So we're gonna go for lunch, we're gonna go for a nice drive, we're just gonna have a nice, wholesome family Sunday. So yeah. You wanna go walkie? You wanna go walkie? I was wondering what the dog was doing, and he had a wasp on him. I don't know if it stung you, Reggie. Leave it. He seems pretty happy. I don't think that it had a chance to sting him. Ready? I don't want to shout him because it is like 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning, so. Where's your ball? Let's go back for it, for goodness sake. Come on then, let's go get it. Go on, go get your ball. Reggie. Oi. He really likes the smell of whatever's down here. It's the time of year where all the thistles die off and they set free their little fluffy seedlings. I don't know what the heck to call them. Yeah, they always look so pretty. Oh, he's found a ball. That's not yours. That's not yours. No. Reggie. He's proud of himself. You've got to drop it. That's some little kid's ball. Like you drop it. Drop it. Reggie. I managed to distract him with his ball. Which isn't actually his ball, it's my massage ball that he thinks that I bought for him, so I guess it is his ball.
So it's Connor.
Okay, it's about time to stop feeling sorry for myself. Getting up, I'm getting ready, I'm getting out of my pajamas, I'm gonna make myself look better so I feel a bit better. So here we go. I feel so much better after a nice long shower, and the sun is finally shining. There's blue skies, so let's go get out of here, like right now.
Hello, Papa. Hello, Stinky. Hello.
Her dog is desperate to jump in that water. Yeah, you're...
Quite like the sound of the rock crust.
Amazing, thank you.
£12 though.
The doggy. Who is that doggy? Hello, puppy.
Oh, there's my finger. Right there is where we were just eating lunch.
Good boy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Good boy.
Ah!
Okay, Reggie. Really would like to be so far away from people.
Harry tried to walk back to the car with the baby and the dog, but the dog wouldn't leave without me. Isn't that right, Reggie? Now he's back to the ball. Come on. As we were heading towards home, we were driving into some rain clouds, and they were coming over the hills in the distance like a waterfall. It was truly one of the coolest things I have ever seen. I apologise if footage isn't great, but please enjoy. Poor Reggie has diarrhea, so we've made him chicken and rice, and we're torturing him, waiting for it to cool down. Poor boy. I'm sorry, it's still too hot. It's still too hot. Look at the fucking drool on the floor. I know, buddy. It's coming. It's coming.